Tired of guessing when to enter a trade? What if one indicator could tell you exactly when the market is about to turn? Meet the WPRSI Signal Indicator. It combines two powerful tools, Williams percent range and RSI, into one simple signal on your chart. Here's the buy setup. WPR drops below -80, showing the market is oversold. RSI then turns up or crosses above the 30 level, confirming momentum is shifting. When both line up, the indicator prints a buy arrow. For extra confidence, check that price is holding above support or a recent uptrend. Now the sell setup. WPR rises above -20, showing overbought conditions. RSI turns down or crosses below 70, confirming momentum is fading. That's when the sell arrow appears. Ideally, price should be near resistance or inside a downtrend for a stronger signal. Here's the tip. Never trade the signal alone. Confirm it with a nearby trend line or moving average, and always use a stop loss. This works great on H1 or H4 for trend trades, or M15 if you're scalping. That's it. One indicator, two confirmations, clearer entries. Head to Forex MT4indicators.com to download this indicator and more free templates today.